Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn about class 5 mathematics chapter shapes and solids, and we are going to discuss its unit 2, which is quadrilaterals. Let us start with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this unit you will be able to identify quadrilateral and its types, explain the properties of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four line segments. Here this is an example of a quadrilateral. Here you can see this is a closed figure and it is formed by four line segment. First line segment, second line segment, third line segment and fourth line segment. So these type of figure or shapes are called the quadrilaterals. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degrees. Here you can see that there are four angles inside the quadrilateral, four internal angles of a quadrilateral. When we'll take the sum of these four internal angles, their sum will always be equal to 360 degrees. Types of quadrilateral. First type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where each pair of opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. Here an example. Here you can see this is an example of a quadrilateral. Here side AB is parallel to DC and side BC is also parallel to AD. Rectangle. Another type of quadrilateral is rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided shape where every angle is a right angle, means 90-degree angle, and its also opposite angles are parallel and of equal length. This is an example of a rectangle. All the four angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree and its opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Third type of quadrilateral is square. A square is a parallelogram with all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree. This is an example of a square. Its all sides are equal in length and all the angles are of 90 degrees. Rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides equal and parallel. In rhombus, all the sides are equal and parallel. This is an example of the rhombus. Its all the sides are equal and they are parallel to each other also. Trapezoid. It is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. This is an example of a trapezoid. Here you can see a trapezoid is given. If I mention its side, I have mentioned their side. So this is AB and this is CD. So means this side AB is parallel to CD. It has only one pair of parallel side, which is AB is parallel to CD, and these two sides are non-parallel side. Kite. Kite, it is a quadrilateral that has two pair of equal lengths sides and these sides are adjacent to each other. Here an example of the kite. Here you can see these two sides are equal in length and these two sides, the red one, are also equal in length and they are adjacent to each other. Can you identify the quadrilaterals? Here you can see different types of a quadrilateral are drawn. So what you have to do, you have to just name the quadrilateral. Good luck and thank you.